In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Salesforce, which options to pick, and how to generate a file you can open and work with in Excel. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account as you normally would, using your usual login page and credentials. Once you're signed in and your Salesforce homepage has loaded, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the main settings icon in Salesforce. Go ahead and click on that gear. And from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option called Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the more detailed setup area where the export tools live. When the Advanced Setup page opens, you'll notice a left-hand panel that contains a lot of different setup options. At the very top of this left panel, there's a search bar. This search bar is really helpful because it lets you jump straight to the feature you need without scrolling through a long list. Click into that search bar and type Data Export. As you type, Salesforce will filter the options below. From the search results that appear, click on Data Export. This opens the main data export page where you can manage all your exports. On the right side of this page, you'll see two main options, Export Now and Schedule Export. If you haven't exported anything yet for the current month, you can click Export Now. This is ideal if you just want a one-time export to work with immediately in Excel. If you've already run an export this month, or if you'd like Salesforce to export your data automatically on a recurring basis, choose Schedule Export instead. That way you can have regular backups or ongoing reports sent to you without having to repeat these steps every time. After you choose the option that makes the most sense for you, the page will reload to show you a list of items and settings you can configure. Here, carefully select the data you want to include in the export. You can choose the specific objects or data sets that are relevant, so you don't end up with a file that's larger or more complex than you need. When you're happy with your selections, scroll down and click Start Export if you're running it right away, or click Save if you've scheduled it. Salesforce will then prepare a file, usually in CSV or similar format, which you can download and open directly in Excel for analysis, reporting, or backup. And that's it.